Hello friends! Welcome to KidsWise Learning. In this video, we're going to learn addition. Are you ready? Let's get started. It's going to be so much fun. Give me a 5. Give me a 2. Put it together. What does it make? Correct answer is 7. What is 9 plus 2? Correct answer is 11. What is 6 plus 2? Correct answer is 8. All right, let's go. What is 4 plus 2? Correct answer is 6. Our question is, what is 9 plus 3? Correct answer is 12. What is 5 plus 1? Correct answer is 6. What is 5 plus 4? Correct answer is 9. What is 2 plus 1? Correct answer is 3. What is 7 plus 1? Correct answer is 8. What is 4 plus 1? Correct answer, 5. What is 6 plus 3? Correct answer is 9. What is 2 plus 4? Correct answer is 6. What is 4 plus 1? Correct answer is 5. What is 4 plus 3? Correct answer is 7. What is 5 plus 1? Correct answer is 6. What is 3 plus 1? Correct answer is 4. What is 4 plus 4? Correct answer is 8. What is 3 plus 1? Correct answer is 4. What is 5 plus 1? Correct answer is 6. Great job, kids! You did it! You completed the quiz. Keep up the awesome work. I'm so proud of you. Let's keep learning and having fun together. Thanks so much for watching our video. If you had fun, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome learning videos. See you next time. Bye!